My name is Dr. Yusuf Al-Muhanna, and I welcome you to Kuwait this year for conducting this 10th SWAC ELSO conference.
Hello, my name is Dr. Fatma Qasim. I'm the director of the anesthesia program here in Kuwait and also the head of department of anesthesia and intensive care at Maternity Hospital. We welcome you here in Kuwait, and I'm happy to be part of the 10th annual meeting for the SWAC ELSO in 2024.
My colleague and I would be running a simulation debrief workshop over 2 days where we're going to be addressing concepts of pre-brief and simulation. We're going to touch on debriefs, we're going to run a couple of scenarios, and we're going to have quite an interactive sessions.
This workshop is designed to accommodate any health professional with different expertise in simulation. So whether it was your first time to attend a simulation debrief workshop, you've been doing this workshop for a while, this is the place for you to join.
It's going to be fun, it's going to be fantastic, and we look forward to have you over here in 2 months' time.
So welcome, and we can't wait to see you here in Kuwait.